Molweni kwakhona. This is Balu N. This is just a very quick tutorial. Ndiyathemba niphilile, ndiyathemba ni right. Lena tutorial namhlanje, it's focused based on using Doek encinci, very small Doek. Just showing you things you can do with a very small Doek. Today, it's very special to me because it comes from my mom and it came down to me. May her soul rest in peace, Mom Chawe. She loved the outfit kakhulu, and so much I haven't found in the house that I can wear it to just yet. So today I was just fitting it on because I just wanted to see what is our banjani with Doek and just get to see how the whole outfit looks. But nonetheless, namhlanje sifocusa kakhulu kwimeko where umuntu has iqhiya encinci, and incinci njena ungayithwala kanjani ngaphandle kwengaco, ne? I haven't used ingaco ke apha. As you can see, it's something very, very much quick. Ewe ke mhlambi complicated ke ebantwini abaninzi into bana eback ndiyibophe njani, but it's just how you see it up, and also putting your own taste to things also makes things nicer, just to see ukuthi okay, i-basic yenziwa kanje, then mna ndizokongeza phana pha to add my personality in it, yabo. So basically that is it. Yeah, I was just trying to the outfit kamama ndiyibone uba indifanele kanjani or ihlala kanjani kum. Yeah, hope you enjoy the video. I hope ii-videos zam niyazishare. Ndiyanicela niyenze loo favor yokuba nindisherele, just to share information with abanye umakoti, because as much as ke singomakoti sonke, not sonke umuntu uyakwazi ukuzithwalela, you know. I used to remember umamam would say, mntanam, xana uthwala entloko, don't ever do a mistake yozijonga esipilini uthwala, because you won't do the right thing. But hlala phansi and allow your creativity to take place without isipili. Then xa uyibona into bangabani iqhiya yakhe ihleli kakuhle entloko, only then can you continue to use isipili just to fix apho nalapho. Mna ke unfortunately I had to ndibe kanti ndiphambi kwecamera, yabo, for you guys banikwazi ubona, but most of the time nam xa ndithwala I do try and do it without isipili sometimes, and then xa sendigqibile ke ngoku I go in front of isipili and see uba udingalungisa phi na. But ke sana, the worst thing ngam is that as much as ndikwazi ukuzithwalela, I'm not confident in ukuthwalisa omnye umntu. So ndiyanicela, if you see me around, okanye if you find me situation enawe and there has to be iDoek yothwala, I'm not that good ukuthwalisa omnye umntu, but I always try come up with something. But yeah, anyway, hope niza enjoy le video. Ni like, ni share kwabanye osisi, kwabanye omakoti, ukwenzela ukuthi sonke sibe bahle, ukwenzela ukuthi sonke sibe presentable. Okay ke